lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control, animal service. This lawsuit was filed a few weeks ago. This is a very powerful lawsuit. That's why I'm putting this lawsuit on YouTube, because I want the American people to see how things are done in America. And animal shelter are violating your rights when they take your pet and they kill your pet without due process. As I mentioned, this is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control, animal services. This is a very powerful lawsuit, and I want to expose the evil act that the city of Los Angeles is committing against you and against me and against people that we don't know, because there's a lot of people out there that they lost their pet to animal shelter and they cannot defend themselves because they don't know how. That's why we have to do something about this. This is a constitutional violation. There's a constitutional violation against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control. They're violating your rights every time that they take your pet and they tell you to go in a meeting to get your pet back, and when you go to the meeting, it's too late. That's what they did to me. They took my pet pigeons. I went to the hearing and my pet pigeons were dead. They violated my rights. They violated due process. They violated the Constitution, and they are violating our rights, American people's rights. They cannot take your pet and kill your pet without due process. Just in case you're tuning in right now, this is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control, for the killing of my pets, and for many, many, many more American people who lost their pets to the shelters, that their rights were violated. If you're tuning in right now, this is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control. This is a violation that should not happen again. This is a violation against the Constitution. This is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control, animal service, for the killing of my pet pigeons. And this is a serious violation. When they take your pet, they cannot kill your pet without your consent. They cannot violate your rights by killing your pets. Your pets is like your baby, your companion, your friend. You love your pet. I loved my pets. I'm going to miss my pets for the rest of my life. That's why I am doing all this, because they should not do what they did to me. I don't want animal shelter, animal control, animal services do this to other people, what they did to me. It's an evil act. It should not be done. They should not kill your pet like that. They take your pet and they kill your pet. Why? I'm looking for justice for me and for other people that called me that they killed their pet. They violated your rights, and they violated my rights. This is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles. Animal shelter, animal control, animal service. This is a lawsuit against the city for the killing of my pet pigeons. They violated my rights, constitutional rights, freedom rights. They killed my pet pigeons without a due process. And something has to be done. Just in case you don't know about the story, this is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control, animal services for the killing of my pet pigeons. They should not kill your pets. When they seize your pets, you have rights. You have rights to a hearing. You have rights to complain. Constitutional rights and individual rights, personal rights. They cannot kill your pet without your permission. This is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control, about the killing of my pet pigeons. This is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal services. They violated my rights and many other people's rights, and this is not right. This is Rick Martino. This is a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles, animal shelter, animal control. This is Rick Martino. If you need a copy of the case, give me a call, 323-850-8580. I salute you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for calling me. God bless you. Thank you.